Imposing masses of cosmic enigma float silently across the vast expanse of deep space, representing a subject that has continuously challenged human curiosity and left scientists with profound, unanswered questions for generations. However, the paradigm of modern astrophysics is undergoing a radical transformation, as advanced instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope provide unprecedented insights into the hidden nature of these towering celestial behemoths commonly known as black holes. The foundational chapter of this extraordinary scientific journey began in 1916 when Albert Einstein formulated his revolutionary general theory of relativity, mathematically predicting the existence of such extreme gravitational entities long before technology could ever hope to detect them. Although the term black hole was not officially coined until 50 years later by physicist John Archibald Wheeler, pioneering researchers gradually began uncovering empirical clues hidden within the stellar tapestry of our galaxy. A monumental breakthrough occurred in the late 1960s while astronomers were closely analyzing the binary star system Cygnus X1, observing a strange, luminous blue star emitting powerful, erratic bursts of X-rays. Upon deeper investigation, scientists realized these emissions were not originating from the star itself, but rather from an invisible, immensely massive companion exerting a relentless gravitational pull and consuming surrounding matter. This landmark discovery provided the first concrete, undeniable evidence that black holes were not merely mathematical anomalies scribbled on chalkboards, but real, physical entities populating our universe in the millions. As research progressed over the following decades, astrophysicists estimated that our Milky Way galaxy alone could harbor upward of 100 million black holes, though their inherent invisibility makes precise counting an extraordinary challenge. According to mainstream consensus in modern physics, a black hole is an astronomical entity where matter is compressed under such unimaginable gravitational pressure that it collapses into an infinitely dense point known as a singularity. To visualize the terrifying physical mechanics involved, scientists often describe the concept of spaghettification, a gruesome process where any unfortunate object or cosmic body crossing the event horizon is stretched into a thin, elongated strand by intense tidal forces before being permanently crushed at the core. In 2021, humanity achieved a historic milestone when the Event Horizon Telescope collaboration published the first direct visual capture of a supermassive black hole residing at the center of the distant galaxy M87, followed soon after by humanity's own galactic center, Sagittarius A. These groundbreaking images confirmed that black holes possess complex internal structures, most notably the outer event horizon, the threshold of no return where escape velocities exceed the speed of light, and the inner singularity, where conventional laws of physics completely break down into absolute mathematical chaos. Because every black hole possesses unique mass, rotation, and gravitational profiles, researchers find themselves confronting a never-ending cosmic puzzle where understanding one system does not necessarily unlock the secrets of another. Studying these colossal gravitational anomalies presents an almost insurmountable observational dilemma, fundamentally distinguishing them from stars, planets, or distant nebulae. Because light cannot escape beyond the event horizon, astronomers are permanently restricted to analyzing them indirectly through the intense radiation, swirling accretion disks of superheated gas, and gravitational lensing effects they impose on their immediate surroundings. It remains physically impossible to dispatch probes like Voyager into the interior of a black hole, as any exploratory craft would be utterly pulverized and compressed into nothingness long before crossing the threshold. Consequently, scientists are forced to study these massively powerful cosmic engines entirely in two dimensions through remote telemetry, struggling against the unbreakable laws of physics that forbid faster than space travel or direct extraction of data from inside the singularity. Yet, these severe empirical limitations have done nothing to stifle human imagination. Instead, they have fueled an explosion of theoretical models attempting to explain what truly lies behind the veil of the event horizon. Theoretical physicists and mathematicians have spent decades formulating intricate hypotheses, moving far beyond standard gravitational equations to explore realms where spacetime behaves in ways that defy conventional intuition and challenge our very definition of reality. Among the most fascinating and widely debated theories is the hypothesis that black holes are not simply dead ends of destroyed matter, but rather cosmic portals or wormholes capable of bridging unimaginable distances across the universe. This compelling idea suggests that beyond the crushing grip of the singularity, a black hole might function as a shortcut through spacetime, potentially allowing advanced civilizations to travel between distant galaxies or even alternate universes through instantaneous transit. If proven correct, this concept implies that humanity's future interstellar exploration might not be permanently restricted by the traditional speed of light barrier, transforming black holes from cosmic terrors into ultimate cosmic highways. Conversely, other theoretical frameworks reject the classical singularity altogether, offering radically different interpretations of their underlying nature. For instance, innovative research led by Tokyo-based scientists like Enrico Raldi proposes that black holes may actually operate as macroscopic holograms, where three-dimensional gravitational dynamics are merely projections of quantum information encoded on a two-dimensional boundary surface. Whether these enigmatic entities serve as bridges to distant realms or represent profound holographic illusions rooted in quantum mechanics, the ongoing theoretical discourse demonstrates that our comprehension of black holes is still in its infancy. Ultimately, the enduring quest to decode the mysteries of black holes pushes the boundaries of human intellect, transforming what was once considered science fiction into the cutting edge of theoretical astrophysics. As observational technologies continue to advance and international collaborations pool colossal amounts of computational power to refine our cosmic models, humanity moves steadily closer to uncovering the true nature of these gravitational titans. Every new spectral analysis, gravitational wave detection, and high-resolution image brings us one step further in our ongoing dialogue with the universe, bridging the gap between what is known and what remains hidden in the cosmic dark. The profound questions raised by black holes remind us of our own humility in the face of nature's most extreme forces, driving an insatiable desire to explore every corner of existence. While we may still stand far from unlocking every secret locked away behind the event horizon, the journey of discovery itself enriches our scientific heritage and redefines our place in the cosmos. As we continue peering into the deepest cosmic abysses, the mysteries of black holes will undoubtedly remain our greatest intellectual frontier, inspiring future generations to look upward, question deeply, and push past the perceived limits of possibility.